Hey folks, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to bring updates such as a flatter display with a titanium frame and a host of artificial intelligence. But it will also get rid of the lens with 10x optical zoom. However, despite this, one reliable source claims that without it, the photo zoom will be even better. Ice Universe in a Twitter message says that 10x zoom on SDR the C24 Ultra is better than the C23 Ultra. That's a bold statement, but according to insiders, it's based on viewing real photo samples. Graphics devices, even before the final poll, subtitles added by Dimitrov, it was completed. If it's true, then it's a big progress from Samsung. In recent years, the company has been praised for the outstanding zoom features in the Galaxy S21, S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, and S23 Ultra, as the optical zoom of the telephoto lenses with 3x and 10x magnification were simply excellent. Leaks have shown that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will discard such a broad optical coverage. Instead, it will utilize a telephoto lens with 5 camping. With the magnification along with the tripling standard and ultra-wide lenses, how can this setup be better? Most likely the answer will be art. Artificial intelligence. Computer processing already plays a huge role in improving photos from our smartphones, and as artificial intelligence grows more advanced, the results are just getting better. Google, for example, achieved significant improvements in the Super S Zoom series over the past few years. Pixel, we'll have to wait and see how all this turns out, but if Samsung is improving its zoom photos with artificial intelligence, it can also indicate improvements in others. In the lenses that the artificial intelligence of edge videos in the spotlight. Samsung at events. Si sento by everyone. This event. Let me remind you that the Galaxy S24 series will be released on January 17th, and I will definitely be streaming. This is an event, so stay on the channel. Almost all modern phones, tablets, TVs, and other devices with OLED screens have a way to protect the screen from such a phenomenon as burn-in. The screen is saved from burnout by regularly shifting user elements of interface and other content. By a few pixels, however, this feature is missing. It was absent on Samsung Galaxy devices under the control of the Software Bureau. One UI 6.0 software based on Android 14. Now Samsung responded stating that they recognize the problem and were working on its solution. This problem, and people can expect it to be fixed until the end of this month's January 2024. However, they also stated that the fix could be postponed due to several factors that vary from phone to phone and from region to region. But it's nice to see that Samsung has recognized this important issue and has already started working on its solution following development practices and releasing updates. For the South Korean firm LLC, most Galaxy phones and tablets are expected to regain OLED screen burn-in protection with the security update from January 2024 or February 2024. 14 years later this month, Samsung will announce the new Galaxy S flagship series, and the new phones may mark the release of a couple of new chargers. Facts show that the company is working on 2 new charging solutions. According to a new rumor on Twitter, Samsung is developing a new charger Duo 50. From you with 2 wired fast charging USB ports. It has a model number IPTs. The 5020, a duo charger, will be capable of fast charging 2 Galaxy devices at once, most likely the value of 50 watts for the partner. They start simultaneously. In addition to this new charger duo model, the company seems to be updating a single port charger with a power of 45 watts. The existing version has a model number EPTSU 4510, but if there's evidence that a lot of interesting things are still in development, a newer model EPT4501 is located, and it's unclear what they will differ by. Undoubtedly, Samsung won't supply next generation flagship phones with chargers inside retail boxes. There's no basis whatsoever. The KSS24 will differ from the version released lately in recent years. Next generation flagships will most likely be shipped with a data transmission cable, a tool for studying the SIM card tray, and some documents. Regardless of when these new chargers will be ready for release, they will be sold separately on the website. Friends, thank you for watching this video. See you very soon in the next video. Good luck to everyone. Sa puwete ban tam da poeng anti